Here's a Cadillac you won't see every day. 1960 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. A little over 1,000 of these made. 1,075 built, I believe, is the magic number on these. And as you can see, it has some length to it. Two-door hardtop. Big 60s fins in the back there. And best of all, this was originally a black ebony colored car. It also happened to have a special order interior. The accessories on this car when it was ordered would have been the Easy Ray glass, AC and heat. It does still have AC, and it looks like a majority of the components are there. We have not had it working. FYI, power steering, power brakes, of course, underneath the hood. Paint on it, I would call a nice driver quality paint. Has a nice luster to it, shine, of course, as you can see from the reflection and the lights and everything off the hood. Yes, you're going to find some imperfections and some little touch-up paint spots, of course, but with the size of this car and in black, you can expect that. Now, of course, the bumpers, a lot of chrome on this car. This particular car, previous owner, did redo a lot of the bright work on it. As you can see, the headlight bezels, the front bumpers here as far as the chrome goes, the rear bumper is in very nice shape too. Kind of hit on that as we go around. Now, if you want to check out underneath the hood, interior, underside of the car, go ahead and check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's going to be a link down there. You can click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pictures. Call us too if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. Now, underneath the hood was a 390 V8, and now that would have two carb setup on it. These cars had a little bit of weight to them to move around, so a big 390 with a dual carb setup, and that is still intact underneath the hood. Now, some of the things I've played around with on this, power windows. I do have pictures with the power windows up. They have a smoked window. It really looks good with the windows up where you can see the smoked glass. And that's the way I have it pictured, so if you want to check that out, you can. Factory radio does work also. 8-way power seat. It's got a bench seat, goes all the way across here. 8-way power seat also works. And as you can see, the kind of vinyl cloth combination in nice shape. I'd call it kind of a medium gray. Appears that has been redone also. According to the data tag, which you can check out in the still pictures also, I believe this top, it was ordered with a kind of a medium gray or titanium colored padded roof. When it was redone, it's been repainted completely in black, but look at the length again of this thing, and just beautiful rear. Big fins, rear tail lights. FYI, if you're walking around and looking at this with me and watching the video and everything, and you're starting to wonder, where is the gas cap? Where do you fill these? It is actually in this grid right back here. And you will find the gas cap above the bumper right there. A little trivia for you. All right, now we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. So feel free to ask your sales associate about that when you call in or email us. Again, a 1960 Cadillac Eldorado Seville, and look up and down this car, as you can see, pretty darn straight car. Paint overall shows very nice. I've considered it a driver quality paint. Come back to this bumper. This is kind of what I was talking about, the bright work again. Again, the bezels, everything around the lights goes down and turns into the bumper. All this. Very nice chrome. Previous owner redid a lot of the chrome on this car. Like I said, 1,075 of these built, I believe. Just don't see these every day. Show up your local cruise-ins, roll-ins. It's not going to be a bunch of these sitting in a row, no doubt about that. All right, again, 8-way power seat here. Did have that working. Everything was fine on that. Your power window switches are actually just on the inside of the A-pillar there. Windows all worked. I did not have the wipers working. Radio did power up for me. Had a station coming in. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run also. Nice starting and running car. No doubt about that. Here's the fuel gauge works. So you can see how smooth that idles. Dash is in great shape. Check out the headliner. It's also in nice shape. Slip around to the back here. Smooth running, no crazy exhaust or loud obnoxious sound as far as the exhaust on this one. I'm going to slip up here to the front and pause this video a second. Let's pop this hood, check out what the engine bay looks like, and show you how that is. Alright, here's that 390 V8 underneath there. Like I said, with the dual carb setup, power steering, power brakes. As you can see, you have some of the components from the AC over here. Again, I've not had that working, but original AC heat, easy ray glass car, according to the accessories on the data tag. And once again, you can check those all out with still pictures, data tag, VIN number tag, the door, the clear title of this car. There you have it. 1960 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. Original black car. Step back so you get the whole look of this beauty. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And of course, it may be eligible for a service contract. Discuss that with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you.